Mathematician Show!
Yeah!
Today, we will be talking about Johannes Kepler. Let's start from the beginning. Once upon a time, a woman named Katharina and her husband named Heinrich Kepler had a child named Johannes in a place called Walderstadt, Holy Roman Empire. The family lived in Johannes' grandfather's inn and worked there. Johannes was a sickly child and was very weak. As he grew, he became interested in astronomy and mathematics, which were introduced to him at a very young age. However, when Johannes Kepler was young, he had smallpox, so his vision was damaged and his hands became crippled. He would often entertain the customers at the inn with his talent. "Wow, you're so good at math." "Yeah, I know. Shut up."
Shut up is a bad word.
"Ow, my crippled hands." As a child, Kepler had witnessed the Great Comet of 1577. "Whoa, look at that comet, Mama. Did you know that comets are made of ices such as water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane mixed with dust?" No, sweetie. I didn't know that." In 1589, Johannes moved through grammar school, Latin school, and seminary at Maulbronn. He attended Tübinger Stift and studied philosophy and theology. He proved himself to be a very smart mathematician, and he liked horoscopes. "Hey, what's my astrological sign? Tell me your birthday." June 30th. "You are a moon child. You're a Cancer." "Sweet. Thanks. Bye, what's your face?" What a nice guy. After school, Johannes Kepler taught at Graz. He claimed that he had an epiphany while teaching. "So, class." Whoa. I just had an epiphany, guys. This is the next big thing.
Do you guys think Mr. Kepler is crazy or what?
Kepler realized that regular polygons bound one inscribed and one circumscribed circle at definite ratios. He thought that might be the geometrical basis of the universe. After failing to find a unique arrangement of polygons that fit known astronomical observations, Kepler began experimenting with three-dimensional polyhedra. He created a formula corresponding to the sizes of the planets. Kepler thought that he had revealed God's geometrical plan for the universe. Kepler later rejected this formula because it wasn't precise enough. What Kepler is mostly known for is his three laws of planetary motion. Law 1. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the two foci. 2. A line segment joining a planet and the sun sweeps out equal areas during equal intervals of time. 3. The square of the orbital period of a planet is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit. In 1595, Kepler was introduced to Barbara Miller. Barbara's dad was against their marriage, but then Kepler completed his works on Mysterium. Barbara and Johannes were married in 1597. They had 4 children, but 2 of them died as infants. After Barbara died, Kepler married Susanna Rödinger. He loved her very much and considered their marriage to be happier than the first. In 1615, Ursula Reingold, a woman in financial dispute with Kepler's brother Christoph, claimed Kepler's mother, Katharina, had made her sick with a potion. The dispute escalated, and in 1617, Katharina was accused of witchcraft. In August 1620, she was imprisoned for 14 months. She was released in October 1621, thanks in part to the extensive legal defense drawn up by Kepler. "Oh, thank you, son. You are a very good boy." Ma, I'm like 50 years old. At the age of 58, Kepler died of an illness. He even wrote his own epitaph. "I measured the skies. Now the shadows I measure. Skybound was the mind, earthbound the body rests." During his life, Kepler created 18 works, all based around astrology, mathematics, and astronomy. People today don't always think about how mathematicians and scientists changed the world, but it's important to remind yourself that you can do the same, even if you think the world has been completely discovered. It hasn't. So, stay in school and do your homework, kids.